हॅलो एव्हरीवन. आज मी तुमच्यासमोर वर्ग 12वा सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश येथील बोर्डाचा जो काही क्वेश्चन पेपर आहे तो बोर्डाचा क्वेश्चन पेपर सप्टेंबर 2021मध्ये झालेला तुमच्यासमोर घेऊन आलेला आहे. हे काही इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आहेत आणि त्यानंतर आपण बोलूयात थेट सेक्शन 1कडे. सेक्शन 1 प्रोज, रीडिंग फॉर कॉम्प्रेहेन्शन, लँग्वेज स्टडी, summary and mind mapping. Question first A. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. Stop, said the other. I don't want all that. Shall I succeed in my present search or not? Answer this and go. Otherwise, I will not let you go till you disgorge all your coins. The astrologer muttered a few incantations and replied, All right, I will speak. But will you give me a rupee if what I say is convincing? Otherwise, I will not open my mouth and you may do what you like. After a good deal of haggling, the other agreed. The astrologer said, You were left for dead, am I right? Ah, tell me more. A knife has passed through you once, said the astrologer. Good fellow. He bared his chest to show the scar. What else? And then you were pushed into a well nearby in the field. You were left for dead. I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into well, exclaimed the other, overwhelmed by enthusiasm. When shall I get at him? He asked, clenching his fist. In the next world, answered the astrologer. He died 4 months ago in far off town. You will never see any more of him. The other groaned on hearing it. The astrologer proceeded. Guru Nayak, you know my name, the other said, taken aback. As I know all other things, Guru Nayak, listen carefully to what I have to say. Your village is 2 days' journey due north of this town. Take the next train and be gone. I see once again great danger to your life if you go from home. He took out a pinch of sacred ash and held it to him. Rub it on your forehead and go home. Never travel southward again, and you will live to be 100. Why should I leave home again? The other said reflectively. I was only going away now and then to look for him to choke out his life if I met him. He shook his head regretfully. He has escaped my hands. I hope at least he died as he deserved. Yes, said the astrologer, he was crushed under a lorry. The other looked gratified to hear it. A1. Rewrite the following sentences and state whether they are true or false. A. The name of the astrologer was Guru Nayak. B. A passerby had saved the other man. C. The astrologer took out a pinch of salt and held it to the other man. D. A knife had passed through the other man long ago. A2. The other man looked gratified because, in bracket, choose two correct alternatives from the following. A. His enemy was going to meet him in his own village. B. The astrologer told him that his enemy was crushed under a lorry. C. His enemy died as he deserved. D. His enemy was very happy and contented. A3. The astrologer suggested the other man never to travel southward again. Guess and write the purpose behind the astrologer's suggestion. A4. Give or express your views on the effect of superstitions. A5. Language study. First, he shook his head regretfully. In bracket, choose the correct alternative to get the present perfect tense from the given sentence. A. He shakes his head regretfully. B. He has shaken his head regretfully. C. He had shaken his head regretfully. D. He will shake his head regretfully. Second, I will not open my mouth. In bracket, choose the correct alternative to get affirmative form without changing the meaning of the sentence. A. I will not close my mouth. B. I will open my mouth. C. I will shut my mouth. A6. Find and write the words which have similar meaning for the following from the extract. A. Bargaining. B. Surrender under pressure. C. Made a low sound of distress. D. To look cautiously. Activity B. Language study. Non-textual grammar. Do as directed. First, use the correct articles and rewrite the sentence. COVID-19 is one of dash most hazardous diseases witnessed by dash world. Second, as soon as the captain gave an order, the soldiers fired. In bracket, choose the correct alternative to get no sooner form of the given sentence. Option A. No sooner the captain gave an order than the soldiers fired. B. No sooner did the captain give an order than the soldiers fired. C. No sooner does the captain give an order than the soldiers fired. D. No sooner has the captain given an order than the soldiers fired. Third, the teacher said, the earth revolves around the sun. Choose the correct alternative to get indirect narration of given sentence. A. The teacher said that the earth revolved around the sun. B. The teacher said that the earth is revolving around the sun. C. The teacher said that the earth had revolved around the sun. D. The teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun. Fourth, spot the error and write the correct sentence. And the sentence is, I know a man which is very tall. Question 2a. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. A child spends a major portion of his life in taking formal education. School and related factors, for example, teachers, peer group, etc., play a major role in the child's school adjustments. Through his interaction with people in school, he learns how to behave with peers and adults other than family members. He acquires values, goals, aspirations, and socially approved ways of behavior. He gets a good exposure to a new set of adult models. His formal education in school shapes him into a mature, responsible, and competent member of society. A child's experience in school give him lessons in team spirit, cooperation, healthy competition, goal setting and goal attainment. A child's school adjustments depend largely upon teachers' values, principles and attitudes. Family background of peers, their habits also are important. Extracurricular activities in school, a child's participation in them, the reinforcement and punishment he gets influence his school adjustments. During early school years, children's adjustment problems are related to being regular and punctual, doing homework, and following discipline. Later on, children are concerned about maintaining social relations. During adolescence, the issue is how to develop and maintain relationship with opposite sex members. Adolescents are also anxious about obtaining good grades in examinations and choosing an appropriate career. School adjustments have far reaching effects on children's success in life. Peer groups range from neighborhood play gangs and informal play groups to organized groups such as study circles. A peer group has its own group structure and expectations from its members. Non fulfillment of these expectations causes the members to face rejection from the peers. Children are under the influence of peers. A child's attitude, habits, and behavior are largely influenced by his interactions with peers. Even complete the following sentences with the help of the extract. A. The formal education that a child gets in school molds him into dash dash. B. School adjustments have long lasting effects on dash dash. C. A child's interactions with peers have a great influence on his dash dash. D. A child's school adjustments have to rely largely on dash dash. A2. Develop the flow chart given below. Children's adjustment problems, early school years, later school years, during adolescence, peer group expectations. A3. Find the facts from the extract and complete the table. In column A, from the interaction with people in school, a child learns and acquires. In column B, A learns, B acquires. In column A, school experiences teach him. Column B is given blank. A4. Express your views regarding school education in connection with character building. A5. Language study. First, a child spends a major portion of his life in taking formal education. In bracket, choose the correct alternative that indicates model auxiliary showing obligation. A. A child should spend a major portion of his life in taking formal education. B. A child must spend a major portion of his life in taking formal education. C. A child will spend a major portion of his life in taking formal education. D. A child can spend a major portion of his life in taking formal education. Second, a peer group has its own group structure and expectations from its members. In bracket, choose the correct alternative to get not only but also form of the above sentence. A. A peer group has not only its own group structure but also expectations from its members. A peer group not only has its own group structure but also expectations from its members. C. Not only a peer group has its own group structure but also expectations from its member. D. A peer group has its own group structure not only but also expectations from its members. A6. Match the words in column A with their antonyms in column B. In column A, the words are given: first, early; second, rejection; third, success; fourth, anxious. B. A. Acceptance; B. Failure; C. Carefree; D. Recitation; E. Late. Activity B. Summary writing. Write a summary of the above extract with a suitable title. Take help of given points or hints. In bracket, child's interaction with people in school, his experiences in school, adjustment problems, peer group influence. C. Mind mapping. Develop a mind mapping frame oblique design using your ideas or thoughts or concepts to illustrate or develop on the topic. Best sources of entertainment. Section 2, Poetry, Poetry and Appreciation. Question 3a. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. He felt the cheering power of spring. It made him whistle, it made him sing. His heart was mirthful to excess, but the rover's mirth was wickedness. His eye on the Inchcape float, quoth he, my men, put out the boat, and row me to the Inchcape rock, and I'll plague the abbot of Aberbrothock. The boat is lowered, the boatmen row, and to the Inchcape rock they go. Sir Ralph bent over from the boat, and he cut the bell from the Inchcape float. Down sunk the bell with gurgling sound. The bubbles rose and burst around. Quoth Sir Ralph, the next who comes to the rock won't bless the abbot of Aberbrothock. A1. Rewrite the following sentences as per their occurrence in the extract. First, Sir Ralph cut the Inchcape bell. Second, Sir Ralph asked his men to row him to the Inchcape rock. Third, the Inchcape bell sank down. Fourth, Sir Ralph kept his eye on the Inchcape float. A2. But the rover's mirth was wickedness. Explain the line in your own words. A3. Those men who do wrong things meet with due punishment. Express your point of view on the above statement. A4. Pick out and write the rhyming words from the first stanza and also write its rhyming scheme. A5. Compose 4 poetic lines of your own on a memorable evening on a beautiful beach. B. Appreciation. Write a poetic appreciation of the poem given below. When I had money, money, oh, I knew no joy till I went poor. For many a false man as a friend came knocking all day at my door. Then I felt I like a child that holds a trumpet that he must not blow. Because a man is dead, I dared not to speak to let this false world know. Much have I thought of life, and seen how poor men's hearts are ever light, and how their wives do hum like bees about their work from morn till night. So when I hear these poor ones laugh and see the rich ones coldly frown, poor men think I need not go up so much as rich men should come down. When I had money, money, oh, my friends, my many friends proved all untrue. But now I have no money, oh, my friends are real, though very few. Section 3, Writing Skills. Question 4. Complete the activities as per the instructions given below. A. Attempt any one from the given activities. First, drafting a virtual message. Imagine you are Rahul or Jyoti studying in 12th standard. You are going to attend an international awareness program in New Delhi the next week. Draft a message in about 100 to 150 words to convey the same to your classmate. Give your own reasons to support your message. Or statement of purpose. You wish to pursue your graduation or diploma at a reputed university in any of the streams of your own choice, either arts, commerce, science, management, medicine, agriculture, engineering, law, or any other degree you have in your mind. You have fixed your career goals and also have similar background to achieve your dreams. Taking help of the above points or information, write a statement of purpose in about 100 to 150 words as a part of your application process to get admission at a university of your choice. Or third, group discussion. You and your three friends, John, Irfan, and Ravina, are selected as a team for group discussion for a reputed TV channel. The topic of discussion is importance of English literature. Write suitable dialogues for each participant, giving his/her opinion on the topic. B. Attempt any one from the given activities. Email. First, you purchased a 42 inches smart TV for months ago from MG Electronics and Appliances. It is not working properly and also it doesn't have good sound and picture quality. The warranty period of the TV is still valid. Write an email in about 100 to 150 words to the shop owner complaining about the problem. Or report writing. Second, your junior college recently organized a book reading competition. Your students representative write a report of the competition in about 100 150 words. Or interview. Third, imagine you have to conduct an interview of a teacher who recently received the Ideal Teacher Award from the state government. With the help of the given table and points, draft questions for an interview. Do not change the sequence of the questions. Name of the interviewee, area of success, reputation, date, venue, time, duration of interview, questions. Questions should be based on first decision, second idols, third support, fourth education, fifth training, sixth success, seventh dream, eighth goals or destination. C. Attempt any one from the given activities. Speech. First, imagine you have to deliver a speech on the topic Save Earth, Save Life on World Environment Day in your junior college. Draft a speech in about 100 150 words that you wish to deliver before the audience. Or second, comparing. Suppose you are going to compare in a felicitation program of the meritorious students in HSC board examination of your junior college. As a comparee, prepare the whole program script considering the sequence and details of the overall program. You may take help of the given hints: welcome song, introductory speech, presentation of the result, felicitation of meritorious students, representative talks or speeches by meritorious students and their parents, small interview session, chairperson's address, vote of thanks, or expansion of ideas. Expand the following idea in about 100 or 150 words with the help of points given below. All is well that ends well. Well begun is just half done. It's all about the finishing touch. Patience and perseverance are always counted. Happy ending leads to satisfaction. D. Attempt any one from the given activities. Review. First, you have recently read a book. Write a review in about 100 to 150 words of the book with the help of the following points: title, author of the book, subject, story, information, language, style, presentation, benefits or message. Or blog. Write a blog in a proper format on yoga, a practice for better living with the help of following points in about 100 150 words. Importance of yoga in life: keeps body fit and healthy, refreshes soul and mind, stress booster, meditation helps in focusing. Or appeal. Third, your college has organized a motorcycle rally to make people aware to save paper and save trees. Prepare an appeal on the topic Save Paper, Save Trees with the help of following points in about 100 to 150 words. Convincing appeal: need, information or facts, famous personality or guest, venue, date and time. Section 4. Literary genre. Novel. Question 5A. Complete the activities given below as per the instructions. First, pick out the odd element from each line. A. Joseph Conrad, Graham Greene, Daniel Defoe, Anthony Burgess. B. Mystery, style, conflict, character. C. The turn of the screw, Afra Ben, Rajmohan's wife, Jane Eyre. D. Drama, novel, psychology, poetry. Second, choose the correct alternatives and rewrite the sentences. The novel as a literary genre has a history of about dash dash years in bracket 2500 2500. B. The new literature written in 18th century was characterized by mystery, fantasy, spirit of realism. C. In dash dash novel, the surface meaning is different from the symbolic meaning in bracket allegorical, dystopian, gothic. D. Dash dash has coined the phrase stream of consciousness. Jane Austen, Virginia Woolf, William James. Question B. Answer in about 50 words the questions given below. First, explain in brief the theme of extract from To Sir with Love. Second, give the character sketch of Denham in the extract from To Sir with Love. C. Answer the following. First, complete the table highlighting various traits of the following characters in the extract from Around the World in 80 Days. Name of the characters in second column traits. First character is Oda and second character is Detective Fix. Second, we can go around the world in less time by journeying eastward. Justify it with Fogg's journey in the extract from Around the World in 80 Days in about 50 words. Answer the questions given below. First, elaborate the following line in the light of the novel The Sign of Four in about 50 words. You really are an automaton, a calculating machine. Second, arrange the following incidents in correct sequence as per their occurrence in the extract from the novel The Sign of Four. A. Miss Marston showed Holmes the pearls and later. B. Miss Marston discussed her problem with Holmes and Watson. C. They planned to meet the writer of the letter. D. Miss Marston met Holmes and Watson at their house. तर हा होता क्लास 12 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिशचा प्रॅक्टिस पेपर जो सप्टेंबर 2021च्या बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेत आलेला होता. तर अशाच प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. आमच्या चॅनलचे सर्व व्हिडिओ ताबडतोब तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉन बटनला क्लिक करा. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींमध्ये गरजू विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात शेअर करा. काही अडचण असेल, काही सजेशन असेल, काही इन्फॉर्मेशन असेल किंवा रिप्लाय द्यायचा असेल तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करा. हा व्हिडिओ अत्यंत काळजीपूर्वक आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट टिल द एंड शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार. थँक्यू. थँक्स अ लॉट.